but na hane ye kasa enye se obi am obi bibia dio. God is my witness. Say MPP ni bi se wa ma me bibia dia umbra out. Nobody me bibia na me sabi me kodi MPP aginya asem kra me ka ye me ameka hwan inti mo bia ndwene se me betena ha because I want to eat something or because I see the vision His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo supported by Dr. Alhaji Maubia, what they are doing to project like Ghana to the world. Eno na meka. Hey, na intimate ya bro chire na me hu ambulance na mo ha ya adwuma. Na nyame adawro ma ba bi di bia ba. Enya mombo na me axe. Do I speak against ambulance? But you sit as a parliamentarian and bastardize an ambulance effort. Meanwhile, your government couldn't bring that same ambulance. It has become a debt. You are in court defending it. Ghana, yeah, Mobo. We left Sammy Gyamfi to just maneuver anyhow. Every day, be a coronavirus. Not the fofrabe to go. Mufa winko ombesum. Mufa winko ombesum. Na in your mapa ne Akufo-Addo yeni yehu. Omweni ba omohoso. Obesha hana factory epie. Obesha hana factory epie. Obesha hana factory epie. Kebo to welcome. Factory ni pie me kai Kumasi cement. Oh when I Kumasi cement we he ya tworo so offense. I feel proud almost offense no. Ya tworo no wrong nti enyampa like how? Nkrofo so to cement EDC adan e de ye project. NDC for come. Mamu ma yen gintum say Akufo-Addo be di ade papa bi akwa ma yen me kan nyankopon ne me dance ni say in 2019 or 2020 before the corona hit no Ghana was one of the fastest growing economies in the world, not Africa. These achievements we could barely hear them during these people's era. These people's era we go on the world market, we will not even get a loan. So we have to succumb to Chinese galamseyers who will give us loans. And that is why Muhammad's whole economy was rested on the Chinese economy. In the Chinese he came and did a press conference say the Niyama on to 2 years Ghana is because the Chinese economy is shaky. What are you people telling me? Cash Donko, what are you people telling me? Niyama Sammy Gyamfi kwan. Na me and I couldn't tell me about a cable to me best friend kakra. Sammy chokrodo mo kai say okoye ya di Brogya Gyamfi ekoto asem mu kenoforiata okay ekodi trotto kenoforiata so efiri ho na Brogya Gyamfi se mahwe na wan share am be communicate bio amfa mamo opa hwe se Brogya Gyamfi oba obeka ne kakra bi na okọ ba Brogya Gyamfi betis Akufo-Addo so betis chese ye diatem ade a woni madentia Sammy Gyamfi akokonkoto fake document dia ba say we ni nokure ni ntimo fanko media houses na mo fanko yedede eko wie no court ma ne be pa chew and then Sammy na first video me person me bona me de me yi no ko yankwa we a light one be mommy entie na talk it. The politicians were not talking about it because the people who even were in power were sitting down for the opposition to do propaganda. And unti asemo ba anke ebekwa diffuse no na ya abo abia asamo no matena wa na NDC for the around be 1 week and say no ma be press conference. But like I said and like I saw for myself, say I needed to do something. Patricia Mensah Michiao, I needed to do something. Okay, Minia, that boy Sammy Gyamfi, Kevin Taylor, for those of you who have followed me for long, these were the reasons why I joined this whole race on social media. Saying, "Kofu young penny and my debia omombeda dying and kofa dear said those days no some obekaya those days no Kevin Taylor shared a kofa envelope, not the envelope number 2 or the envelope number 2 or say, oh guys, this is yeah, this is Amila, how do you call it? You come and tell you, say, oh my guys, this is a new document I just got, a fresh document I just got from ABA. I got it from here, I got it from there, and this is fresh. BSU. It's not because we thought, say, this guy was telling us something that was truthful. Most of us, we could have said, say, okay, forget about this Kevin Taylor guy. Let us peruse him and ask, say, okay, sir, envelope, no, this show, no, and you're there in a womb. But we all sat down and all day, ebe di agro, sebe, ewo. so platforms so or share that ebeto to near me gumu and the easy boss we try take it to free Ghana where we are benua mekufu adu we ntino we Ghana free Ghana ni ye die chire easy boss ye den free Ghana nyame ncha de na ma me nya kukuduro no twen camera scene enim se da bi obi ka sem we buru chira no boa still na nkofo di Kevin Taylor chi adentia because ya set agenda say you pollute place no yamma bibia anya tan you making sure say kufu ado governance obey no be hard to just something I own to me and govern. Let's make his government ungovernable and omo yes now omo yes we no now they were thinking say oh yeah dear editia onyonko a na say de ne brasia and no chere say oh baby di ade and I say no chere say Ghana for ebe to aba e di amount eye adwuma utie eye adwuma enu nti hwa ade yetena ase afei ye wo mu na ye share that to another dimension bi ba yes omo say ye from fix the country e de ne yen fix it according to omo no mu kuro mu akwan yen ye yo yate omukuro mu hospital yen yo yate anti ama mechia bright opoku mechia comfort stone mechia hey bibi obeken bia yen nti no omo de omo se yen den yen fix the country no okay anybody a odogan ne bia se can say fix the country a Mr. Comfort and Kenya de bone so what you say but me pracho wo ye free baby ene ye de ko baby ana me boa ye free baby ene ye de ko baby enu nti sa wo ka kire me say wo a wo te wo no ka kire me say 2016 answer na Mahama ne NDC free so na ye hye IMF conditionalities ase a ye frɛ no policy credibility say o fulfill certain procedures answer na ye jawo se brabe den brabe di wo ho so into wo budget hye IMF nsa that was where they left us at na se wo se fix the country pa ya de da wakoma so na obi e be you free system ni mu e ma wan kasa wo set your budget now you are sitting there saying say nothing has been fixed. The truth is not in you and we shouldn't listen to you because it was just a political tool orchestrated by this boy I'm about to laugh and as I may be sitting over here a friend Sammy Gyamfi.
And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
When happy? Enti John Dramani Mahama or baby ma do de barono. Omo de we know them, bra, sister. Makasa bebre, me pese me di besia. NDC any agrada omo nyina with the same line. Azan wo de ni kwanya msumo obebu. Nipa awanye, me so de frɛ no nyameche. Fa no kwatena vertical. Na fa no she pope atadiem obewu. Aduane a wo no ebe hye no wo toto ebe hye. John Dramani Mahama do obeye bia na me kwa bakura biem me kwa ba biem he do de ye enti when we talk of galamsey de omo no nka o manu ntum na de na asem ye me jane akwasi ade odike wan se bi panyi bia be dane panyi hunu a okowie wo onua TV ho okoka aboa no ho Captain Smart ho obia be dane em se aboa bia be dole srade a osua preku enti panyi bia hu se na adwe no ho akwa ahi woni nyansa bia na onua TV mpacho obi wa pe bia betimi astore number no na wa join e wo WhatsApp ye betra so few minutes na ya sori bia amade aye beko obetimi adwene e wo WhatsApp wate na ye di nkomo obi hu se na adwe no ho akwa adwe na ye useless pe was mami nko onua that is where I will be entertained and welcome. Akwasi ade odike wa wonim o kasa keke wanyini we don't